I hate feeling like a politician. I hate the pretentious. I mean, this can be offensive because not every politician is the definition of a corrupt politician. But let's just say I don't want to be a corrupt politician or a politician in general. Like their values, mostly, well, from what I've observed from my limited vision, is that they usually go out, they give things, and then they post it on posters on social media. They post it everywhere. Hey, I did a good thing. Look at me. This is what I donated. This is what I did today. And we're supposed to clap. Well, I don't want to be a politician. I don't want to resemble a politician. I hate sometimes that I feel like I'm being such a politician. I don't like it. I don't like making things that I do popular or putting my name on gifts or giving things to people and putting my name in it. I hate it. I feel fake. I feel like there's a part of me that wants to be thanked when it should not be something that I should be thanked about. I don't know why I'm saying this. I don't know why I'm so ugly today. Look at me. I look stressed, but I'm not. I'm having a really great day. It's just that I don't like putting makeup on my videos. And I just woke up. If I somehow feel that I'm protected enough and I have enough and my family has enough, then I would no doubt give out any extra money that I have. But it's just I'm not at that point yet. But I want to be at that point, you know, where I just give out things to people. That would really make me happy because that's just what I am. And I can't even say that I feel like this is all fake, that this is pretentious, that this is me trying to be nice. Wow. But no, it isn't. It's just something that I can truly say without any hesitation, without feeling like I'm gross for being fake. Because it's just truly me. I would die if I can provide. I would die if someone doesn't, if people don't need me, I would die. Whereas if people were as evil as they would take all my money from me and they would drain me to my death in order for me to give them everything that I can provide. Oh, wow, I look so ugly. To provide, that would be fine, you know? That would be fine. That's better than no one needing me. I would die if no one needs me. And that's it. That's for today's rant. Yeah, whatever.